All right, this is your answer key for your check for understanding. Hopefully by now you guys know how to do all of this, but just to make sure, I would like to check in with you and see if this was a test question today. Would you get these 4 correct? So here are your answers. The slope of this line is positive because it's going uphill from left to right, and it looks like it's going up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So I would accept 4 over 1, but just because I want you to always practice simplifying, a better answer to 4 over 1 would just be 4. So go ahead, if you put 4 over 1, it's correct, but go ahead and change it to 4 because I want you to practice simplifying. Number 2 is a negative slope. So the first thing I would write is a negative just to remind myself that it's negative so I don't forget. And instead of rising, we are falling. So let's fall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So down 5 over 4. Negative 5/4 does not simplify. It could only be turned into a mixed number, which we don't want. So this is the answer. Number 3, y2 minus y1 would be negative 1 minus 9. x2 minus x1, sorry, there's the bell, is 15 minus negative 10. Don't forget to include both the minus and the negative in there. And then just put it in your calculator. Negative 1 minus 9 is negative 10. 15 minus negative 10 becomes positive 25. And then you should simplify these. They both divide evenly by 5, which would make it negative 2/5. So your answer for this slope, you could write it again down here if you want, but it's negative 2/5. Doesn't matter if the negative's up on the top or on the bottom or out front, as long as there's only one negative on the whole fraction. This one would be going downhill. Number 4, y2 is 8 minus y1 is 20. So 8 minus 20. And then x2 minus x1 is negative 9 minus 15. So then just put it in your calculator. 8 minus 20 is negative 12. Negative 9 minus 15 more. Ew, I don't know. Negative 9 minus 15 is negative 24. Here you have a negative over a negative. A negative divided by a negative, if you have 2 negatives, it becomes positive. And 12/24 is half. 12 is half of 24. So it should be positive half.